A faculty member at a university has this incredible three-part job where they spend a portion of their time engaging in research. The second is that they get to teach the next generation of students. And the third is that they have the opportunity to participate in a community of self-governance. That is, in addition to being a researcher and a teacher, every faculty member is also a manager of themselves, of their colleagues, and of the students with whom they work. And consequently, in all three of these domains, it's fully in keeping with the fundamental idea of a university to allow faculty to be lifelong learners in their practice as researchers, in their practice as teachers, in their practice as members of a self-governing community. And so we set up a number of programs designed to help our faculty do their best work. Most of these fall under the umbrella of something that we call the SAL2 program. Scholars as Leaders, Scholars as Learners consists of coaching for success, leadership programs, teaching relief for learning, faculty academy mini courses, and workshops on skills ranging from writing to laboratory management.
My experience in academia was that I got very extensive training in how to design experiments, how to come up with research questions, how to collect data, analyze it, and write manuscripts. And then when I became faculty, I realized that that was not my job any longer. It was now to get grants and to manage a large team and to recruit people. And that's a totally different skill set.
I remember when I started out as a junior faculty member, it was one of the first committee meetings, and looked around the table and the other faculty who were there. A lot of them were heroes that I grew up with through science, and now all of a sudden they were my colleagues. It made me very aware of how much I still had to learn, not just in the science, but also with leadership skills, with writing, and with many of the other aspects of academic jobs.
I think it's an overwhelming thing to do to start in a new place, even if you're not new to teaching or not new to the tenure track. When I was starting at Yale, I saw this as an opportunity to figure out things that could help me years in advance that I couldn't even begin to anticipate.
Whether it's individual coaching about how to start up and manage a lab, or if it's individual sessions with somebody who's going to work on writing and writing skills, neither of those things are things that PhD programs excel at teaching overtly. And SAL2 enables me as a department chair to suggest ways in which you could pick those up. This is a high standards and high expectations place, and we'd want people to be able to plug into that kind of support.
That's really what Scholars as Leaders and Scholars as Learners is about. An experience where I could get extra help developing the leadership skills and the skills that I didn't get during my training.
Dean Gendler and the FAS Dean's Office have done a fantastic job of building out professional support for faculty, and I recommend the program all the time.
Finding something that you want to get better at is really crucial. There's a moment of kind of vulnerability in this, of saying this is not something I've done before, but it's something I want to expand into, and that was really a great benefit for me. I would give it the highest recommendation.
I really appreciate having the support of this program. It's very materially connected me with people at other departments at Yale.
Being in a program where you get to interact with faculty across all those different departments and disciplines really allowed me to understand and appreciate a lot of the strengths that other faculty have here and learn from them.
SAL2 gave me exactly the resources I needed to learn how to do my job in this new stage of my career. I think everyone should do it.